Need a wide angle lens first, baby. Manchester. Good old England. I love how everyone was made from brass window frames. So we got this shaft out of a cone crusher. I reckon it's approximately 5 tons in weight. Do we know what diameter it is? I don't know. Some of the crusher guys know what diameter it is, but 3.5, 4 foot, maybe a 4 foot. But anyway, so the bottom of the shaft runs in a big white metal bush, and that's supposed to have a good oil supply, but between filters and dirt and one thing and another, the bush gets destroyed and then it chews up the end of the shaft. So we're taking a skim off the end of the shaft and repairing the bush that the shaft runs on, and then that'll basically leave it as new, ready for another service life. The critical thing when we skim the shaft is we blend the reduction in diameter into the original shaft, so there's no stress points. So yeah, I just want to make this video to show you our big old Craven lathe. I've been watching some good engineering videos on YouTube lately. Some of the big names popping up at the minute are Cutting Edge Australia, Curtis. Yeah, I just want to say awesome work, killing it. Thoroughly enjoyable videos, and shit hot on the lathe, might I add. And the other one is I've been told, recommend to watch, is A-Bomb. So yeah, just thought you guys might appreciate. It's not the biggest lathe on YouTube, but she's still a big girl. I think it's wearing up on a 6-foot chuck. So yeah, some of you guys out there might be pretty keen to see a 6-foot chuck swinging. So there she is in all her glory. Craven, as I said, made in Manchester, England. Little small shaft, as I say, about 5 ton. I don't know what the capacity of this lathe is, but I'm sure it would take 20 ton. I think we've got a big shaft coming in soon, in the region of 20 tons, so I'll hopefully get a video of that. So yeah, just a short one for you guys showing our lathe. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see more engineering videos like this coming up. We had a VIP visitor a number of years ago, and he was gobsmacked by this old girl. Some of you guys might know the name Guy Martin. I'll insert the photo of him admiring it. Another guy to check out on YouTube. He does some awesome videos of mechanical oddities and world record challenges of all sorts of crazy types. So yeah, check out Guy Martin. So yeah guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Until the next time, over and out.